Woke up one morning and saw this red alert. Account suspended due to misrepresentation. Heart rate 200. You check everything again. Products, feed, website, still suspended. But what does misrepresentation even mean? Let's break it down. In Google's world, misrepresentation means one simple thing. You're showing or saying something that doesn't match reality. Maybe your website, ad, or product info is giving the customer the wrong idea, even if it's unintentional. For example, you say 50% off, but there's no real discount. You sell original Nike shoes, but it's a factory clone. You hide your refund or contact info so customers can't reach you. Congratulations, you just triggered Google's honesty alarm. Google doesn't hate you, it just loves trust. Its mission is simple: protect users from sketchy stores and fake claims. So if your site looks suspicious or incomplete, Google hits the red button, account suspended. Brutal? Yes. Fair? Also yes. All right, here's how you fix it like a pro. Create clean pages. About us, contact us, refund policy, shipping policy. Match your product data, titles, prices, images, exactly with your Google feed. No fake reviews, no fake offers, no exaggerated claims. Then request a manual review and wait for Google's green light. So next time you see that scary red banner, don't panic. Fix your honesty game. If this helps you understand Google's misrepresentation mystery, drop a comment, fixed it, and hit subscribe, because next we're talking about the unacceptable business practices policy. Trust me, you don't want to miss that one.